All right. Thank you for being part of this channel. You are welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back to my channel once again. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make up to $7,500 monthly working from home. That's what I'm going to be teaching you today. I'm going to be showing you how to make up to $7,500 monthly working from home. It's very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it right away. So the website you are going to be using is studypool.com. So let's quickly log into the website and see what they have for us. But before I dive deeply into the video, if you are just joining this channel, try to click on subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that each time I create a new video, you are going to be notified, because there are a lot of information I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. There are a lot of method I'm going to be sharing with you. There are a lot of techniques, there are a lot of strategies to make money, to be financially independent, to achieve success, to overcome poverty, and to live a life of your dream. So don't miss anything. Watch this video from beginning to the end. Share this video to your friends and families, because it's just like I'm trying to be doing something to empower as many people as possible. If I have this information, this powerful secret with me, and I keep it to myself, what do I gain? Anything you know that you cannot empower other people, that you cannot share the information, that you cannot share knowledge, that you cannot create impact, so it means your life doesn't have any purpose. And that is what we are doing right here in this channel. So the only thing we request from you is to support this channel. Click subscribe button. If you have not subscribed before, click on subscribe button. Click on the bell notification so that whenever we create a new video, you are going to be notified. You are going to get the notification so that you don't miss anything. So the main objective of this channel is to help you to be financially independent, is to help you to make money, to make good money, to enjoy a standard of living. And that is exactly what we are doing here. So without wasting much of your time, so let's quickly go into the website. The website is Study Pool. If you look at it, you can see, so 24/7 study help, get help with homework question from verified tutors. So you can see what they are doing here. This website is just like a learning center. So they they help people, they help students across the world. You can see, get access to over 20 million study documents from the notes bank. So this website is just like a platform where they hire tutors from across the world, tutors, educators from across the world, and whereby students who have subscribed, who are paying monthly subscriptions, so can come into this platform, submit their question. You can see different subjects they have. You can see different questions, different subjects they have, like algebra, applied mathematics, arithmetic. Those are the subtopics under mathematics. So assuming now you are a mathematics teacher, or you know mathematics very, very well, or you have passion for teaching, for tutoring, for mentoring people, this is a big opportunity for you. You can see other topics. You can see African studies, American studies, animation, and topography. No matter the specialty that you have, your course of studies, you can see psychology, religion, humanities, you can see design, English. You know, a lot of people, they have some skills, they have some talents, they have some God given brain that it is just sitting down there within you. You don't know how to make money with it. You can see political science. Some people, they read political science in the university. You have the first degree in political science, you have second degree in political science, and you don't know another way of monetizing your skills, your talent, your brain, your knowledge, your experience. This is the best way to do it. This is the best way to monetize what you know, what you read, what you study. So this is the best time to monetize it, to convert that knowledge into something that will be making you good, good money. Good money. You can see, if you study sociology, it doesn't matter. You study theater, urban planning, women study, linguistic, literature, cooking and baking, cultural studies, anthropology, architecture, whatever you know, whatever knowledge that is sitting down there within you, you can turn that knowledge into money. I'm going to be showing you in this. So if you are